Hello guys. Today share now OnePlus Band release date, price, features, design and what you need to know. The upcoming OnePlus Watch was expected to mark the company's entry into wearables. But instead the company has debuted a budget fitness tracker first, and it's called the OnePlus Band. In 2020, OnePlus expanded to many new product categories such as mid-range smartphones, affordable smart TVs, true wireless earphones and more. With the OnePlus Band, the connected device ecosystem will grow to include budget fitness trackers. The OnePlus Band made its debut in India on January 11th and is likely to come to other parts of the world soon. OnePlus has yet to confirm that though, so everything you read here is based on the product that is coming to India and there's no guarantee you'll be able to buy it. Here's everything you need to know about the OnePlus Band, including its features, design and what we know so far for a release date. Cut to the chase. What is it? The first OnePlus fitness tracker. When is it out? January 13th in India. Uncertain for rest of the world. How much will it cost? Rs 2,499, about 25 British pounds, $35, $45. The OnePlus Band is priced at Rs 2,499, about 25 British pounds, $35, $45, in India, and you're able to buy it now from retailers such as Amazon or Flipkart. For those in the rest of the world, the wait continues. OnePlus has yet to confirm the OnePlus Band will be coming to markets such as the US, UK or Australia. We've asked OnePlus for confirmation on whether it'll be coming to other markets,